Number 1. Graco Magnum X5 Stand. Get ready to revolutionize your painting projects with the Graco Magnum X5 Airless Paint Sprayer. This compact sprayer packs a punch with features that make it the best airless paint sprayer overall. First off, the Magnum X5 is incredibly easy to use, with a quick startup and no need to prime the sprayer. This means you can get to work faster and with less hassle. The adjustable pressure gives you complete control over the paint flow, allowing for a smooth and even application. Plus, the flexible suction tube and high flow rate make it easy to spray directly from your paint cans, saving you time and effort. The SG2 heavy-duty metal spray gun with an in-handle filter and true airless nozzle make painting a breeze. No more worrying about clogs or uneven coverage. The stainless steel piston pump can handle unthinned paint at high pressure, giving you one-pass coverage and saving you time and paint. One downside is that the sprayer only comes with a 25-foot hose, but it supports up to 75 feet, so you can easily upgrade for larger projects. Overall, the Graco Magnum X5 Airless Paint Sprayer is a game changer for at-home painters. Its ease of use, efficiency, and professional quality results make it a must-have tool for any DIY enthusiast. Experience the difference for yourself and take your painting projects to the next level with the Graco Magnum X5 Stand Paint Sprayer. That's a wrap. We trust